those who help us most to grow if we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm whom I am today because I knew you. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes the sun, like a stream that meets a boulder halfway through the war. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, I have been changed for good. And well, it may be that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, so much of me is made for what I let you'll be with me, like a handprint on my heart. And now whatever their story said, I know you have written mine by being my friend. Like a ship blown from its mooring by the wind of the sea, like a seed dropped by a sky bird in a distant world. Who can say I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, because I knew you, I have been changed for good. And just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness for the things I've done you blame me for. But then I guess we know there's blame to share, and none of it seems to matter anymore. Because I knew you, because I knew you, because I knew you, I have been changed for good.